Hey everyone, welcome to your friendly AI, the channel that brings you the latest updates on artificial intelligence and how it is changing our world. In this video, we're going to explore what artificial intelligence is and how it is future-proof. We'll also look at the question on everyone's minds: will humans be replaced with AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. AI encompasses a range of techniques and approaches, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and expert systems. One of the key areas of AI research is machine learning, which involves developing algorithms that can automatically learn from data, without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are trained using examples of input data and corresponding output data, such as labeled images or text. Once trained, the algorithms can use this knowledge to make predictions or decisions about new data. Another important area of AI research is natural language processing, NLP, which focuses on creating algorithms that can understand and generate human language. NLP techniques are used in applications such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and speech recognition systems. Computer vision is another key area of AI research, which involves developing algorithms that can interpret visual data, such as images and videos. Computer vision techniques are used in applications such as self-driving cars, facial recognition systems, and security cameras. Robotics is also an important area of AI research, which involves developing intelligent machines that can interact with the physical world. Robotic systems can be used in a range of applications, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and entertainment. Expert systems are another type of AI technology, which aim to replicate the decision-making processes of human experts. Expert systems are typically built using a combination of rules-based reasoning and machine learning techniques, and can be used in fields such as medicine, law, and finance. One of the key advantages of AI is its ability to process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This can lead to significant advances in fields such as healthcare, where AI can help doctors and researchers analyze complex medical data to identify new treatments and improve patient outcomes. AI also has the potential to help address some of the world's biggest challenges, such as climate change, food security, and disease outbreaks. By analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns and trends, AI can help governments and organizations make more informed decisions and take proactive measures to mitigate these challenges. Now, let's move on to the question that's on everyone's minds: will AI replace humans? The short answer is no. While AI has the potential to automate some tasks and jobs, it cannot replace the creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills that are unique to humans. Moreover, AI is not a standalone technology. It requires human input and guidance to function effectively. Human expertise is needed to develop, test, and deploy AI systems, as well as to interpret and act on the insights generated by AI. In fact, AI is more likely to augment human intelligence rather than replace it. For example, AI-powered tools can assist doctors in diagnosing illnesses and developing treatment plans, or help teachers personalize learning for individual students. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely to become an increasingly important part of our lives. However, it is important to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. This includes ensuring transparency and accountability in AI decision-making, as well as addressing concerns around bias, privacy, and security. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to bring significant benefits to society. While there are concerns about the impact of AI on jobs and society as a whole, it is clear that the technology has the potential to transform many